Right. Please intimate me, guys. Sometimes I will forget. Okay. Sometimes I will forget the recording, guys. Okay. So today, now that is going to be day 4. So today, what we are learning, guys? Today we are going to learn the full fledged. We are going to complete Scrum framework. We are going to complete the Scrum framework, and we are moving to the next concept that is called uh, four values and 12 principles. Okay, we are going to call it as manifesto. Okay, just you will write like a manifesto. Okay? Okay, we are going to cover this manifesto today. This is a simple topic. I'm sorry, we are not going to cover whole thing in a single class. It is going to take 2 classes. Okay, right. So, firstly, escape topic, guys. We are going to complete in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, what I said, guys. This is product backlog. Product backlog. In product backlog, we are having some requirements. Just consider we are having 1,000 requirements. Okay, these are all called as requirements. This is nothing but tickets, guys. In organizations, we are working on tickets, requirements, and user stories. All these terminologies, guys. All these are same. Okay. Next one is another backlog, guys. This is called as sprint backlog. Okay. First one is called product backlog. This is product backlog. Okay, I'm write like this. Okay. Now this is called sprint backlog. Okay. Product backlog and sprint backlog. Now for the product backlog, PO, product owner is responsible. Product owner is responsible. Okay. What the product owner will do, whatever the items are there in here. Okay. Product owner is responsible. Now, what the product owner will do, product owner will give some items. Okay. Product owner will give some items to the sprint backlog to complete these requirements. These are very necessary for me for the release. Okay, what we are going to do, guys? We are completing this. If the product owner gives 100 requirements, we are not completing the 100 requirements. What we are doing based upon the planning meeting. In here, we are having one planning meeting that is called sprint planning, guys. Okay, I will explain again also. No problem. This is not the final one. Sprint planning. Sprint planning. In this sprint planning meeting, what we are doing, guys? We are estimating. Okay, how much of work we can do. Okay, all the team members like who are working here. Who are working, guys, here? Scrum Master. Right here. Everyone sit together in a meeting. Scrum Master, I'm developer, I'm tester. Okay, tester is nothing but QA. All these persons sit together. Where, guys? In sprint planning meeting, and they will discuss how many items we can complete in the current sprint. Okay, this sprint backlog is called sprint one. First is called as sprint one. Sprint one. Okay. Now we have agreed agreed to complete 15 tickets. Okay, 15 tickets. Now, what about the remaining tickets, guys? Remaining tickets will move back to the sprint backlog. Sorry, product backlog. Okay, will move back to the product backlog. Now we have agreed for 15 items. Previously, here we are having 1000 items. Now, 1000 minus 15. How many items will be there, guys? 985 items will be there. Did you understood, guys? Yes or no? Just speak it out. Just unmute yourself and say yes. Ganesh, I don't want to call your name,
Yes,
guys.
yes,
Yes. Yes. What
yes,
about
yes.
Karthik?
Yes, understood. Yeah.
Yes. Abhishek.
Yeah, yes, clear.
Yeah. Redappa. Ganesh. Shishkan.
Yes, yes, Ganesh already informed. Yeah.
Shishkan, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember this. Totally, now we are having 985. Just remember here, guys. Now, what we are doing, guys? The next step, we are agreed. What we have to do, we have to work, right? For that, we need to work on daily. If this sprint, if this sprint has been decided for 2 weeks, then we are working for 2 weeks. In a month, we are having 4 weeks, guys. Okay, in these 4 weeks, we are planning accordingly and we are working. Right? How? Monday 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, Friday, up to Friday. Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. Next, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, previously 5 days, now here 5 days. Total 10 days. Now here we are working for 10 days, guys. Okay, we are working for 10 days. For what? To complete those 16 tickets. Okay, after completing these 10 days, after we are not going to, we are going to submit these tickets in the 10th day, guys. 10th day, first half or second half. Okay, first half or second half in the sense after product owners. In this meeting, we are going to call this meeting as sprint review meeting, guys. This meeting is called as sprint review. Okay. In this sprint review, what we are doing, guys? We are discussing. We are not. We are showcasing. Okay. What we have completed. So now, what we have completed the tickets. That demo project will be there, right? That demo project we are going to showcase to the product owner and stakeholders. Stakeholders are nothing but client. Okay. Now, if the client is satisfied, what we are doing, we are moving these tickets to the product increment. Okay. Product increment. This is called as SP1, sprint one tickets. SP underscore one. Total how many tickets, guys? Total is 15. Okay, total 15 tickets. Now, if the production, in the client says that 15 tickets are okay for us, and two tickets are not well developed. Okay, you need to redevelop those. Then what we are doing, guys? We are moving back these two items to here. Okay. Now, if we move two items to product backlog, how many items will be here? 13 items. It is not going to be 15. Am I right or wrong, Karthik?
Yes, Manoj. Yeah, correct.
Yes,
13.
correct, right? 13 items will be
Yeah.
there. If the client is satisfied with this 15, we are delivering 15, nothing will go back to here. If product owner says that two items are not well developed, okay, what we are going to do, we are deploying 13, and what we are doing, guys, we are giving these two items to here. Now, previously, how many tickets are there? 985. Okay, 985 tickets are there. Now, plus two items has been added to the product backlog. Now, that is going to be 987. Is that correct, Ganesh, or anything wrong in this?
No, no, is it correct?
Yes. Did you understand up to here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'm removing this because I don't want to be. Okay. Right. After completing this sprint review, we are having another meeting that is called as internal meeting with just internal collaboration. Okay, internal collaboration. We are going to discuss what are the goods and what are the bad happened in the sprint, in the current sprint. This meeting is called as sprint retrospective. Sprint retrospective. Okay, in the sprint retrospective, we are going to discuss what are the updates. I mean, uh, some updates will be given. Sorry, some feedback will be given by the feedback will be given, right? Here, clients, based upon this feedback, we are going to discuss here. Okay, client said we need to improve somewhat, or client said that we are working good, right? So if we work good, what we are going to get, everything we are going to discuss. If client says that we need to have, you guys need to have some improvements, what we are doing, say how we can improve, in which areas we can improve. All these things we are going to discuss in sprint retrospective. Okay, after completing this sprint retrospective, what we are doing, guys, again again we are coming to starting point. Now I'm taking yellow color. See here. Now sprint one is completed. Why? Because this has been deployed, guys. Okay, the product has been deployed. Now what we are doing again here? Sorry, let me show you this. 17th. Today is a Friday, right? Sprint completed. What we are doing, guys? Is Monday, next Monday, 20th. Okay, don't say Diwali. Okay, na? This is an example. Manoj, 20 is Diwali. Okay, don't say this. Okay, on 20, product owner give some requirements in the sprint backlog. Again, it is an iterative process. Iterative in the sense what? It will occur every time. Okay. Now, again, this product owner will bring some other requirements, like 100 requirements to here. Now, what we are doing, guys? We are doing planning again, sprint planning meeting. We are doing again sprint planning meeting. In this sprint planning meeting, we have agreed for 12 tickets. Okay, guys, we have agreed for 12 tickets. By these 12 tickets, what we are doing, we are working in this sprint way. After completing this, what we are doing, we are going for sprint review. Okay, after completing the sprint review, what we are doing, we are deploying the product. Okay, this is sprint 2. Okay, SP2, guys. How many tickets? 12 tickets. Okay, again, now what is this product increment? Product increment is the addition of previous build plus current build. Now these two will be combined and it will be in a single box that is called as 13 plus 12, 25. Okay, now this has been completed. What next? Next will be same thing. Coming to the sprint 3. Now product owner will bring some more requirements. Okay. Based on this, what we are doing, guys, we are picking some items like 14. We have picked from 14 items. Right? We are completing those. Same process, right, guys? Karthik?
Yes.
Same process, right?
Yeah, Manoj.
If you,
Yes, yes,
if
yeah.
you, yes, yes. Whatever the work we have done in sprint 1, we are doing the same thing in sprint 2, right? We are doing same thing in sprint 3, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
Right? Ganesh, right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Abhishek?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, same iterative process.
Same thing.
Yeah,
Whatever we are doing in the sprint 1, we are doing the same thing. What are the updates we are giving in the sprint 1? We are giving the same updates. Right?
yeah,
There is nothing changed, guys. There is no changes in this methodology, okay, in this framework. Everything will be same. But if the developers didn't work, at that time we should have some explanations. Okay? At that time we are going to discuss for something. Okay? Some charts will be there. I will explain all those things. Okay? Okay. So initially we have discussed before 100 items, 100 tickets, right? We have completed how many? Actual remaining is, sorry, 100 we have taken and initially 100. So second day we have to complete 90, but we have completed up to 92, right? Initially 80, actually 85, right? So this thing should not be had. Okay, I will discuss all these things later, guys. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, did you understood this framework, guys? Any doubts in this?
No.
Understood, Manoj, yeah.
Yes. Okay, what about the others? I got only one answer.
yeah. Understood.
Yes. Ganesh?
Clear, clear, clear.
Yes. Shikran? Okay. Right. So this framework has been completed. Okay, we are moving for the another topic of manifesto. Okay, now I will show you. I will just explain what is manifesto. Anyways, manifesto. What does it mean by manifesto, guys? What is the meaning of manifesto? Think.
Manifesting, I think,
Oh, your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking.
to create something,
Completely.
I think something like that. I'm not sure.
Sorry, what you
But
said?
I don't know exact meaning of manufacturing.
No,
What you
it's
said
like
there.
no problem. Just it's an
Yeah,
interaction. What you are saying, it is not going to be the final. They will explain the final thing.
yeah,
Okay. Just
yeah.
this is like
Okay, okay.
interaction. My thing is like
Yeah, yeah,
want to make everyone interactive. Right? This is, I don't want to make my teaching is like a boring bit. Okay.
yeah,
Right.
yeah. Right,
Say
right.
say 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 that.
So I think creating something,
Okay. You are saying that
producing
creating something.
something,
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your voice is breaking up. Okay, no problem. I got. Ganesh.
something like that.
So we need to create something actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ganesh said okay. Abhishek.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, Abhishek.
Yeah, manifesto, right? We are saying.
Yes, yes, yes. What you say? Shashibal?
I will guess. I think two is something.
Okay, right. I will explain. Okay. Manifesto is nothing but it is a set of rules and regulations. Okay. It is a set of rules and regulations. Where we are using these rules and regulations in agile methodology. Okay, na? In agile methodology, we are keeping some rules and regulations. Why, Manoj? Without any rules, we cannot work or what? No, we cannot work because in this Agile Manifesto, sorry, in this Agile methodology, we have been upgrading from waterfall to some other methodology. But the thing is, we should not do the same thing. Whatever we have done in waterfall, we should not done in the Agile methodology. Right? For that reason, what we are doing, we are making some rules and regulations. Okay. If we go to school, guys, okay, na? If we go to school, what we are going to do? What are the rules and regulations of this school? Karthik?
Rules will be there, timings, then uniform. Some timings will be there, morning to evening, lunch period, break period, then
Yes,
periods, different class period, something like that. Yeah.
yes, right. So why they kept those rules, guys? To follow, right? Not to
Yes.
break those
Yeah. Yeah.
rules. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Why we are having traffic rules? Those are for fun or what? Traffic rules are for no, right? For our safety, right?
Yes.
You should wear helmet. In the highways, you should not go more than 100, right? In the small areas, you should not speed. Right? Why they are keeping? Someone will cross the road. We might hit them. We might lose them as well. It might. That's the reason we are not speeding up the things, speeding up the vehicle. Here also the same. In Agile Manifesto, we are having some rules and regulations, guys. Okay. Before going into that, I will say the full example. Okay. Why we are maintaining some rules in school, guys? To habituate those rules. Whenever we completed our 10th standard, those things we can educate and we are going to follow in the intermediate, like 10, 11th and 12th, right? If we follow the same rules, we are going to be a graduation. In the graduation also, we are going to be follow those rules. For that reason, from school days onwards, they are making us to habitual to things. Not only the uniform, okay, it's not about the uniform, or it's not about the class timings or not. No, it's about the dignity, the behavior, the culture, right? They are, we are maintaining those. If we are doing like a rowdy sheeter, okay, like what we are doing, we are not following anything. Okay, do you think you can survive in you can say in BTech in graduation? We can survive or not? Karthik, Ganesh, can we survive?
No.
I think Ganesh is not there. Abhishek,
Yeah, no, it will be a chaos.
right?
I think. Yeah.
It won't be a proper thing, right? No
Yes.
one is going to differentiate with it, right?
Yes.
And we need to survive for the IT industry also. If
Yes.
we, if we are going to be in a like a what torn jeans, right? That crushed shirts, it won't work in IT industry, right? It will be in a proper way in tuck. Okay, it should be in a tuck. You should wear a proper iron dresses, right? You should wear shoe. You should wear watch to look dignity, right? If we are not going to follow those things, how we can survive, guys? So those are the rules and regulations as kept in Agile Manifesto. Okay, we have to follow those. So we have to follow those to survive in agile method. Simple logic. Okay, so what are those? Those are four values and 12 principles. Okay, those are four values and 12 principles. By using these four values and 12 principles, we are going to learn what is agile methodology. Up to now, did you get it? Do you want me to repeat it? Yes. Speak it out.
Hobby is clear.
Yes. Now the first thing is four values. The first one is four values. What are the four values? Guys? Let us discuss. Let me copy paste. I don't have much time. Okay. Let me copy. So these are the four values. You should buy heart this like a hell. In interview, they will ask you these four values. Okay? You have to say in the interview. Okay? Do you find anything that is repeated in this four values, guys? Any word? Just find it out and tell me. Quick, 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 quick. All of you. Just
Over.
find. Sorry, which one?
Over is common, right, in all the four?
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Myself, Karthik, Manoj.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Very good, very good. Over. Over is repeating things.
Mm,
Okay? Over is repeating
yeah.
again and again. In every word, over is repeated. Let me try that. These are the things, guys. Over is mediating the first word and the second word. Can we write like this, guys? This part is called A and this part is called B. Can we write like this? Any problem?
Yeah, it's
Ganesh, any
fine, Manoj.
problem?
Yeah.
It's fine.
No.
Okay, no one is going to ask us because we are learning now. Okay, right. Now this part is A and this part is B. Now A over B. Okay, no? In middle we are having over. OV, yeah. A over B. In this case, what Karthik? Sorry, Abhishek. A over B means what? A is
Means
greater than B or B is greater than A. Which one is the good sentence?
A is better than B.
A is,
Better. A is the one to be followed.
yes, A is better than B. Okay. Now, in IT industry, what these four values are saying, A over B. In this sense, we are giving more priority to A than B. Okay, na? Any doubts up to here? We are giving more priority to A than B. Did you understand this sentence or not? Karthik, say yes or no, guys, because you should speak out because
Yeah,
I'm
understood,
shouting like
Manoj.
that, but you are
Yes,
muting
yes, yes,
yourself. And,
yes.
yeah, you should interact, guys. Okay, otherwise I will curse you. Okay, if
Understood.
you don't,
Yeah, yeah.
if you don't speak out, I will curse you like a hell. Okay,
Okay, okay.
see, A is greater than B. Just for an example, A is greater than B. But coming to agile values, what we are saying is A is sorry A over B. In the sense, we are giving more priority to A. Okay na? We are giving more priority to A than B. Why, Manoj? We are not giving any priority to B? No, we are giving priority. But if it is like 100%, okay, if it is like 100%, what we are doing for A, we are giving 51%. Okay, na? We are giving 51 percentage to A and 49 percentage to B. Just for a small example. Okay, that means 1% we are giving more to A. Okay, na? I will give you another example. Okay, your father has 100 rupees. Your father has 100 rupees. What he did? You are the your father has two kids. What your father did? Your father gave uh, 51 rupees to bigger guy, 49 rupees to smaller. Okay, that is not a partiality. Okay, it is not any part. That is not going to be any partiality. He is giving because small one will buy some chocolates and bigger one, I mean elder guy will buy some goods like if you want any materials or any what you can say any pen or pencils. So that's the reason he is giving more priority to elder than younger one. Okay, now any doubts in this? If we have no doubts, I will explain all these for today, and tomorrow we can learn about the 12 principles. Okay, now, well,
Okay, okay, yes, yes, yes.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah, Manoj.
Right, right, that's right. Now, what it is saying, guys? Can anyone read which one?
Individuals and interactions over process and tools.
Okay, individuals and interactions over process and tools. What does it says? It says that we are giving more priority to individuals and interactions. In the sense, what? Individuals means who? Interactions means what? Individuals in the sense, if the person is working individually or interactively. Interactively in the sense what, guys? In a group. Okay, now in agile methodology, if the person is working individually or interactively, we are giving more priority to those people. Why? Because if these guys work, then only we are getting a good. I mean, we can get a good project. Am I right or wrong? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
But
right, right.
if you, I mean, if your company is not taking care of you guys, how? You felt, someone get sick, someone get like a fever, and your company is saying that no, 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 you have to come to office. If you are taking bed rest also, we don't care. You have to come to office. You have to complete the work. Now, in that cases, A will work, guys, or won't work. Huh?
no, can you please repeat again?
Yes, someone got. I'm not including. I'm not saying name. In an organization, one person got sick, like a fever. Okay, a person got a fever and he requested for a leave. Now the organization is saying that no, no, you have to come to organization and you have to work. Now in this case, if individual and interactions will be involved, won't work.
I think work only, Manoj.
If you don't have any priority in the organization, it will work for you.
No, that will not work.
Then how you are saying it will work?
Okay.
See, if we have more priority to A,
Yeah.
you know, we should have more priority to A than B. Okay?
Okay.
Individuals in the sense what? The person, right?
Yeah, yeah.
If the person is not having any, what we can say
Employee.
is that yes, employee only. That's what I'm saying. Individual person or interaction person. If they are not getting any respect in the organization, what is the use of work for overtime? Right? The thing is,
It's correct.
yes, yes. Now, the correct example is, the correct meaning is, we are giving more priority to the persons only. In agile methodology, we are giving more priority to the people. Okay, now, than process and tools. Process in the sense what, guys? Tools in the sense, guys, if the developer is working in some aspects, like working with some tools, okay, like what you can say, Eclipse, okay, automation tool, Eclipse. Eclipse is an automation tool, guys. Okay, testers, developers, everyone will work on this. Okay, to automate this. And another thing is GitHub, repositories. Okay, we are having lot of things, guys. By using those tools, and we are going to work. The working is called as process. But here, what we are doing, we are giving more priority to the people than the tools. Okay, if the tools are there, but working person is not there. Where we are going to keep this process and tools, guys? Am I right or wrong? If the person is, if someone is there to work, then only we are having the process, right? If no one is there to work, where we are going to keep this process and tools?
So both should be
Mana,
required.
sorry,
Both is required.
can you be little bit louder? I'm not getting your voice.
No, both is required.
Both is required, but we are giving little bit highest priority to EA. Okay, if the person is satisfied on it, he can work, right? No,
Yes, yes, correct, correct, correct.
right. See, if no one is giving a respect to you, right, you still want to work in that organization, or you will go for another organization,
I'll go for another organization.
another organization, because no one is giving you respect, or no one is giving you good heights. You are working so hard, and you are not getting what you want to, or what you will do. That is also one of the business also, right? You are working like a donkey. Donkey, how the donkey will work? Like a hell, but it is not getting his feed. Feed in the sense grass. Okay, he is getting only half grass. Then he is satisfied with that. All right. Tomorrow he has to walk for another 1 mile or 2 miles. With eating less, the donkey can't able to work. The same thing. We are working in an IT organization. If you are not getting good pay or good respect, can work, right? So that's the reason in agile technology, what we are I mean, what the values are saying, guys, give more priority to the working people. Okay, now give more priority to the working people instead of process and tools. If we have the process or don't have the process, if you give more priority to the people, then they can work in a certain process and tool. Okay, now did you understand? Did you understand, guys? Any more things? Karthik,
Yeah, understood, Manoj. Yeah.
Abhishek, Ganesh,
Yes,
Yeah, yeah, I understood.
understood.
yes, Redappa, Shritika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I move to the second one?
Yes.
Right. Coming to the second one, working software. Okay, working software over comprehensive documentation. Now, A over B. A over B in the sense, in working software, we are giving 51 percentage. Comprehensive documentation, 49%. What does it mean, Manoj? It means that we are giving more priority to the working software than documentations. Documentations in the sense we are keep on adding some documentation skills. Okay, we are preparing more documentations. Okay, if we know the process, right? If we know the process and we are having certain tools, can we build the working software, right? Do we need the documentations? No, no.
Yes,
Yes.
Manoj. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you say? Do you want any example?
Yes.
One simple example. Can you give Manoj?
Okay, right. I have a 500 square feet, guys. 500 square feet of land is there. Okay, land. I want to construct a house. Okay. Now I went to an architect to have a duplex house. Okay, na? Duplex house. In that, in 350 square feet, I want to have a house, and in 150 square feet, I like to have a small garden and car parking area. Okay, na? This is my requirements and a duplex house. Now, architect has given me a lot of documentations. Lot of documentations in the sense what? A lot of designs. Okay, a lot of designs. Do I need all the designs, guys, or I need only one design?
Only one
Hello?
design.
Only
Yeah.
one.
Only one design because I'm constructing only one house, right? If I have that documentation, in that documentation also, how he is giving one bedroom is one document, second bedroom is for one document, third bedroom is one document, okay, and the kitchen is one document, hall is one document, right? Duplex is one document, whole house is one document. If he is giving like that, are we having many documentations or one documentation?
One document. One.
Those are like many documentations only. Okay, different papers, right? But what we are saying, we are mainly focusing on working software, not on the comprehensive documentation. Because if the builder who is constructing the house, if he is capable, once he sees the documentation, he is having some idea because he has been constructed lot of houses, right? Previously, he constructed lot of houses previously. He has lot of experience. If he sees that documentation, he can easily build the house, right? Am I right or wrong, Karthik? Abhishek?
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Manoj.
yes.
Yeah.
So here also the same thing. We don't need hundred papers of documentation, like a 500, 400, right? Those many papers we don't require. Then what we require, sorry, what we require here, we require just FRD, functional requirement documentation. What is this FRD will do? That is like a minimal documentation. If we have that minimal documentation, we can easily build the software. Right or wrong?
Yes, Manoj. Yeah.
So that's what it is saying. Use less documentation and we are giving more priority to the working software. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, Ganesh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
I'm
I
going to the
understood.
okay, right. Right. Good, good. I'm going to the third point, guys. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. This is my favorite. Okay, this is my favorite, guys. So, what is meant by customer collaboration for contract negotiation? I will give you a small example, guys. Okay, you are working too seriously. Okay, who wants to be in this example, guys? Abhishek, Ganesh, you want to be in this example?
Yes. Yes, yes.
So see here, Ganesh is working like a hell, guys. Okay? He is a good developer. He is a good Scrum Master. He is working like a hell. Okay, but what is the main drawback, guys? Ganesh is not collaborating with each other. Okay, na? Now we are having 4 members. Sorry, 5 members are. We are 5 members are a team, and Ganesh is a Scrum Master. Now our four, I mean, our four are developers and testers. We are four communicating we four are communicating and we are going for outside. Okay, we are having lunch, we are having breakfast, we are having coffee, right? We are sharing things. Okay, in lunch, Abhishek brought chicken, I brought mutton, right? We are sharing those. All four are sharing. Okay, now what Ganesh is doing? Ganesh is not collaborating with us. Manoj, Scrum Master has to collaborate, right? Yes, he is collaborating with only work, not in the personal interactions. Okay, he is not collaborating with personal interactions. If we have any work, now Ganesh is collaborating. Okay, he is not interacting with us properly in the personal work also. See, in the IT organization, if we are going to share the lunch, right? Am I right or wrong, guys? Everyone is
Yes.
working in IT, right? See, I brought something like a chickpeas curry. So I'm going to share, right? If I brought a paneer curry, I'm going to share. I'm going to take some other curries. Am I right or wrong? So that is called the interaction. And that is also called as a collaboration. If we are in a team work, and we are working in an environment, okay? If I need some help, if I go to Shashank or let's say Abhishek, okay? Hey Abhishek, hey Ganesh, I need some, I had a doubt. Can you clear this doubt? Okay, he will sit together and we are going to complete that one. Why? We are collaborating. If you don't have any collaboration, at a certain point of time, if you need any help, are we going to help you guys? Yes or no?
No.
No, right? Why? Because we don't have a friendship. Collaboration make us friendship, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, right, Manoj.
Yes. In the IT organization, if you work or don't work, okay, it doesn't matter. Firstly, you should have a collaboration. Okay, you should communicate to with each and every person. Okay, you have to make a friendship with all the persons. Right now, collaboration is completed. Now, customer. If you have a good collaboration with the customer, okay. Now, my point is, if you have a good collaboration with the customer, Manoj, do you have it? I will do that like a helmet. Okay. Uh, Someone will say, right? Throwing biscuits. Okay, now to make a good collaboration with the customer, right? I will do like that. Okay, I'm good in speaking with the collaboration in collaboration meetings. Okay, after completing the meeting also, I will have a personal conversation with the customers also. Okay, to make them and to make more interactions. Okay, so now coming to Ganesh here. Ganesh is not having a good collaboration guys. Okay, with anyone. Coming to work point of view, Ganesh is working very good. Now coming to the collaboration point of view, he don't have any collaboration. Okay. Now Ganesh is sick. Okay. Ganesh got a fever. Okay. Now Ganesh is asking for what guys leave. Okay. There is like an emergency relief is there. Okay. Now there is an emergency release. Ganesh is going to manager and saying that, hey, I'm feeling good. So I just take now. I have like 1 or 3 fever. I need at least 3 to 4 days sleep. Now, what does manager say, guys? I will ask each and everyone. Okay, Ganesh, you are the last person. Okay, Shashikant, what does manager says?
Manager will say lots of dependency on me.
Sorry.
Lots of dependency on me. Manager will say.
Right. Okay, I will take.
So I can't take leave.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand. Okay, I will check. I will check his thing. What to say?
Yeah, no, no, it's
Which
fine.
yeah. Tell me. What are the
Hello.
manager says?
Hello.
Is he going to? Yeah, yeah, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, yes. Is he going to get the uh, leave or not? Okay, yeah, okay. Think. Karthik, what do you say?
I think he might not get the leave as he's having so much of dependency,
Okay,
but he may negotiate something.
female.
Negotiate with that employee means something work from home or something like that. Can
Okay,
go
your
early,
answer is
late.
that. Okay, got it, got it. Okay, right. Abhishek, what do you say?
These things actually discussing the planning meeting only, na? That time, like if
No,
this will
no,
be.
no. See, this is like emergency. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
don't say in the planning meeting because
Mm-hmm.
in the planning meeting, okay, today is what just consider today is the 20. Okay, Monday.
Yeah.
Today date is Monday, guys. 20. Okay. Do
Yeah.
you know on 29th I am going to get a fever?
No.
How can we plan that?
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
That is like an emergency in IT industry. So you guys are working in IT, right?
Yes.
Are we going to have emergency leave, right? 1 day. That is for 1 day. Okay, but you have used that. But you have a serious issue. That is for fever. 103. That is also 103. Emergency, right?
Mm.
And you have a identity will get it. But what are the words that comes out from the manager? Okay, Ganesh.
Manager. Yes.
So, yes, yes, Krishnan. You are saying something.
So, yes. Manager can say like if customer is okay, if good collaboration with the customer, so we can take the leave. Yeah, we can plan accordingly.
Okay, okay, right. Right. Ganesh, what do you say?
No, okay. So the manager will give the leave, but he'll give the because he informed to work from home. Okay, informed
So,
to
what does your manager say, Ganesh? Unit 6. What are the
okay.
conversation between you and your manager? Can you
Correct.
say
No,
us?
no, no. Manager will say because we are a dedicated guys. Okay. So
Okay.
at least what he no, no, what no, he will give the leave, but he informed to your co-workers should inform and you should do the work, your work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
The
The
other
thing
thing
is,
is that
uh,
I think the leave will be given because it's an emergency.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes. Yes.
Leave will be given, but your whatever you are assigning the task should inform to your co-workers and you should complete. Please inform.
okay. Now, how you did you answer? I need same interaction every day. Guys. Okay. Right. The thing is like, if ultimately we are going to get the 3 days of leave. Why? Because that is emergency. Okay. And now, if I ask, if I don't have any collaboration with the manager, now manager will say that uh, without what we can say, he will throw some words. See, you guys are not work properly, right? Some words will be there. Just we need to have a conversation with the client and see, I can't able to give you 3 days. I can give you 2 days, right? And make sure that you are on the home. right? If you not been hospitalized, okay, if you, what did I say? If you are not admitted in the hospital, if you are still in the house, then do somewhat work or collaborate with the team members and make sure to complete the work. Am I right or wrong? If you are still sick, the manager will say these words. Am I right or wrong, guys?
Yes.
Yes, he will forcefully. He is forcefully saying it to you, but it is work. Okay, try to open your laptop and okay, try to open your laptop and please look for 1 hour or 2 hours. Just check the ticket at what time is going to be completed, and please make sure that who is going to be completed. Just have a collaboration contract with him and make the ticket done. Okay, that is the answer we are going to get. Okay, now you also have a uh, good collaboration with the client or with the team members or with the management and with the manager as well. So what is the answer, guys? Fatafat. Tell me. Ganesh.
Okay, you can take leave.
Okay. Abhishek. This is a very good answer. Jessica. Karthik.
I missed your question, Manoj. Can you come back 1 second?
Yes. I have a very good collaboration with the client and with the manager as well. Okay. Now I am sick.
Okay.
Can I get the leave?
Okay.
What the manager says?
He, he might say if it is not if it is emergency, he might say that you can take leave, but he might expect for some work. But if it is not emergency, he may tell to take
It's
leave.
emergency.
You can take leave.
It is emergency. A fever is emergency. I said like the same example. 1 or 2 fever, right? Someone is
Yeah.
dropping me in the house. It is emergency, right? I
Okay.
have the collaboration. What the manager says or what the client says. Okay, there is no manager. Okay, there is client. Client in the sense stakeholder. Okay, what the
Yeah.
stakeholder says.
He might say that after you recover, then we can talk. He might say like that.
Okay, okay, right. Abhishek.
We yeah, the same thing.
Okay, Jessica.
Yes, yes, manager will allow for taking leave and he will ask for the inform the customer.
I will say in a funny way. Okay, I will say in a funny way. Uh, the first one is if I'm not collaborating with the stakeholders, right? What the stakeholders will think about myself? See, we are paying to him. He is not giving us damn respect also because we are closing the meeting. After completing the meeting, he is not talking with us. He is just completing his work. He is going. He is not collaborating. Am I right or wrong? This is the first drawback. Yes or no?
Yes, yeah, yes, Manoj.
Yes. Okay. What the clients will think, guys, if you work, if you don't work, okay, ultimately we are going to complete the work. That is secondary. But the collaboration is important here. Okay, why this point has been raised? Okay, why this point has been raised? Because at a time of at some time my developer is felt ill. Okay, he got some fever. Now my developer can work or not? He has to work for 8 hours. Okay. Now my developer is sick. Can he work? No, right? In home also he can't work. Now if we have a good collaboration as a Scrum Master, okay. Now I can explain to this client, hey guys, he is one of the very good developer. He is sick. Okay. We are not going to deliver 100 percentage of work in the current sprint. In the sense what, guys? Previously I told you. Okay. Here we committed for 15 tickets, but we have delivered for 13 tickets only. Okay. Why? Why we have delivered 13 only? Now the reason is my developer is sick. Okay, guys, my developer is sick. So that's the reason we can't able to complete this. Now the client will agree or not if I have the collaboration.
Client will agree, I guess.
Yes.
So
Now,
collaboration is there.
yes. Now the second point is uh, now I'm not in any collaboration, guys. I'm simply doing my work, and after completing the work, I just updating. I'm going home. Now my team member is sick. Now what the client says? If we interact with the client, now the client says that it's not our problem, Scrum Master. It's your problem. Just have a word with your project manager or manager. Okay, make my resources or use additional resources. Additional resources means a extra developer, other teams, and make my work done. Is this or anything he will say, guys? Client will say this word or he will say any other word,
Client will say this word.
right? Or else the client says that, oh, no problem, guys, we will see in the next stream. Okay, no problem, let him take rest. Okay, he will say this word or he will say the first word. Abhishek?
No, client
First
always,
one.
client is the
No.
owner, right? So he will say first
Okay.
word one.
Yes, he will definitely say the first word only. Why? Because if you have the collaboration, then only the contract can be negotiated. Right? What we have contracted here, we have been contracted for 16 user stories to deliver, but we have delivered only 13. Now, if you have a good collaboration, we can do what? We can have a some contract negotiation, right? Or wrong, guys?
Correct, Manoj.
Did you understand about the third point? Any
Yeah, yeah.
doubts? Okay. Coming to the fourth point, responding to change over following a plan. Okay. What does it mean, Manoj? This is nothing but this point we can understand. I will say you, but this point we can understand in Jira. Okay? I will explain like a little bit. Okay. Responding to change is nothing but we have agreed here for what, guys? 15 tickets. Am I right or wrong? We agreed for 15 tickets.
Yes.
Okay. In the middle of the screen, now the product owner is saying that I don't require in this 15, I don't require some two tickets. Okay. Remove those two tickets to the product backlog and add another two tickets. Okay. And he is saying that add another two tickets. Now, is this possible, guys?
It's possible.
Possible, but we have done the planning. Okay, we have done planning. Okay, now we have done the planning. Okay, I will give you another example. Uh, Cricket example. Okay, coming few days, 19th onwards, we are having India versus Australia. Right? Hello,
Yeah, Manoj. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. We can hear you.
having India versus Australia. Okay. Now, what the Australians have released, we are coming with the junior team. Okay, now no senior people are there. We are coming with the junior team. Okay. Now what we are doing? Okay, they are coming with the junior team. Why to use the full squad, senior team? We will also come with the junior team. Okay, na? We have introduced the junior people here, and we didn't pick the senior people. Now what the Australian team does is they have removed the junior team and they added the senior team. Okay, why? Because Australia is their home team, right? They will come in a car, but We went to Australia. We can't come in a car, right? Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes.
Right? Now, this is a problem for us. What we have to do? We have to
Yes, yes, Manoj.
adjust ourselves. Yes, yes, okay. We have to adjust ourselves. And we should have a planning. Okay? In the middle of the sprint, we should have a planning. You will definitely change. Okay, now we will definitely change the things. But we should have a plan. Okay? How, Manoj? How in the sense, just consider, product owner removed 2 tickets. Okay? First ticket is going to be completed in 50 hours, guys. Okay? 50 hours. Second ticket is going to be completed in 100 hours. Okay? We planned for total how many hours, guys? 2 tickets. Hello? Speak it out.
150 hours.
100 hours.
150
150.
hours. Totally 150 hours. Okay. Now you might think that why Manoj? Previously, not now, previously, he removed 2 tickets and added 2 tickets. Right? You have been observed same thing, right?
Yes.
Yes, you might think the same thing. Manoj, he removed 2 tickets from 15 and added another 2 tickets. What is the main problem? The problem is this one. The first ticket is 50 hours and second ticket is 100 hours. Now, what he is doing? He is adding another 2 tickets. That is, first ticket is 150 hours, second ticket is 100 hours. Now, total how many hours, guys? 250 hours. Now, extra how many hours we have to work? 100 hours. Now, do you think my developers is ready to work extra 100 hours? Yes
He
or
might
no?
not be ready.
Sorry?
He
No.
might not be ready to work for extra 100 hours. I guess.
Except how we will agree? We are having only
Yeah,
10 days of time, right? One day
yeah,
is equal to 8 hours, right? For working.
yeah.
Then, right? For we can't have, we are full with our capacity. Everyone is full with our capacity. How we can work for 100 hours, extra 100 hours, right? So for that, what we are doing is we are having another plan. No, 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 no. We are not going to take these 2 tickets. We are removing 150, sorry, 50 plus 100. 150 hours of ticket. Okay, now 2 tickets are 150 hours of tickets. But you are adding 150 plus 250. That is around 400. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. 250 hours of tickets now. Now this is not possible. Either you can add one ticket. Why? Because we are removing 50 plus 100 total 150 hours. Now you are adding 150 plus 100. Right? We can take one ticket that is totally 150 hours. Am I right or wrong, guys? Did you understand this example or do you want me to clarify again? Karthik?
Can you once again explain, Manoj?
Yes,
I
yes.
missed.
Sure, sure. Sure. See, total tickets are total tickets are how many, guys? 15. Okay. Now Pivo removed 2 tickets. Okay. First ticket is first ticket is 50 hours. Second ticket is 100 hours. Total how many, guys? 150 hours. Now Pivo is adding 2 tickets, guys. Now first ticket hours is time is 150 hours to complete the ticket. Second is 100 hours. Total how many, guys? 250 hours. Okay, now? Now what is the catch, guys? Previously we agreed for 15 tickets. In that 15 tickets, 150 hours is removed. Removed 2 tickets and removed 150 hours. Now he is adding 2 tickets and that is for 250 hours. Is this appropriative or not? No,
Not.
no. Why? We need to work extra 100 hours. Do we have
Yes.
this capacity?
No.
No. What we are doing now? We are responding to change. Okay, na? We are responded. Remove 2 tickets. Okay. Add 2 tickets. Okay. We responded to change. But with what? Following a plan. Now the plan is you have removed 2 tickets. That capacity is 150 hours. Now you are adding 2 tickets. No problem. But that 2 tickets should be 150 hours. Either 2 tickets should be 75 hours plus 75 hours. That should be what? 150 hours. Am I right or wrong? But what this guy doing? 100 plus 150. Now we can't able to work for 100 hours. Extra 100 hours. You know what we are doing? Either we are going to take only 1 ticket. Okay, na? In this two, we can't able to work extra 100 hours. Okay. Now we are responding to change. What is the change? Now PO add add only 1 ticket, that is of 150 hours. Okay, na? That is of 150 hours. Why? Because we are removing here 150 hours. We can work for 150 hours. Okay, Manoj, what if he adds 3 tickets, removed 2 tickets, added 3 tickets, and that 3 tickets are 25 plus 25 plus 100. Now total is 150. Can he add like this? Yes. We are not depending on these 3 tickets, guys. We are depending on 150 hours. Now you understood or not? Hello, Karthik,
Yeah, understood a bit.
Yes.
understood a bit. Why?
Yeah.
Where you didn't understand?
So basically, there are at the beginning 15 tickets were there.
Yes,
So 2 tickets were removed.
yes,
So 50 plus 100 is equal to 150. That is about that 2 tickets, right?
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now remove
Yeah.
and added 2 tickets. Okay, na? Now remove two
Okay.
tickets, added two
Yeah.
tickets.
Okay.
Remove 2 tickets and added 2 tickets. That is of
Okay.
we are not bothering about these 2 tickets. We are bothering about 150 hours. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
Now he added
Yeah.
another 2 tickets. Okay, and that is 150
Okay.
hours
Yeah.
plus 100 hours. But
That
our capacity is
250 hours.
150 hours.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now he added 250
Yeah.
hours. Now developers
Yeah.
are not going to work for extra 100 hours. Okay,
Correct.
now what the developers
Yeah.
are, what the Scrum Master is saying, okay, you remove 2 tickets, 150 hours. Now you added 150 hours, plus 100 hours. Total is 250. Now
Yeah.
we are going to have a plan. What is that? We can't work for
Okay.
extra 100 hours. Remove this 100 hours
Okay.
ticket. Okay, now remove that
Yeah. Yeah.
100
Yeah.
hours
Understood.
ticket. Now that is going to be 1 hour. Now,
Yeah.
in product owner is saying that no. That 100 ticket is really important. I will remove this 150 hours. Okay, no problem. Now you guys are having 50 hours of leisure time. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah. Yeah.
What he will do, he will add a few more tickets. 10 hours, comma, 20 hours, comma, 20 hours. Okay. Now how many
Yeah.
tickets? Karthik? One,
Uh, 4 tickets,
two,
right?
three, four
Two,
tickets.
3, 4.
Four.
Yeah.
Right? Now I'm adding four. Now total is how much? Add these four,
150.
150. Now everything is fine,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Right? We are not
Yeah.
bothering about the four tickets. Okay. We are bothering about the hours. Manoj, how we are going to calculate this? Yes. When we go into Jira, I will definitely show you those. Okay? Those are really important. How we are working for this. Okay. This is my Amazon
Yeah.
project. This is Amazon project and the backlog. Okay. These are tickets, guys. See, every ticket we are giving some time. That is called original estimate. Okay. In more fields, we are having original estimate. Okay. See here. If we add time, like 150 here, okay, na? If we add one, I'm not going to add it here, guys. I will add it in this project. Okay. I'm explaining that project also. Okay. See here. I will open this ticket. What I'm doing, guys, I'm adding some original estimate. See here. Original estimate is 2 weeks. Okay, na? I've added something. Okay. Now, based upon that timing, I am working here. Manoj, I didn't understood what is this 2 weeks, what is this 1 day, 2 hours. Okay, no problem. Don't understand that. Okay, in future I will say it. Okay, how to add this? We are having details and more fields. Under more fields, we are having original estimate. Okay, original estimate. Give 50 H. H in the sense hours. Enter. 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours. I will say this thing after when we come into Jira. This is how we are adding the time. Based upon this time, we are calculating. Manoj, I don't know how to calculate this. I will say to you. Okay, na? Now, do you have any doubts in this form?
No. I understood these are the four values. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I want to know. Akash, okay. What you are saying is the number of tickets is not at all mandatory. It's depends on only for the hours, right? Uh, During the discussion of that meeting. Okay. Correct.
Yes, yes,
Planning team. Okay. So,
yes.
so, so who is going to decide the hours? So, you suppose we have a
Developers.
okay. No, okay. If there are say six tickets, okay, okay. The developer should
Yes, yes, yes.
okay,
Those things I will explain you clearly in after few days because we can't able to learn everything in a single day, right? In outside market, the people are teaching this Scrum framework in less than 30 minutes. How much time we have spent it on this? More than 2.5 hours, right? Why? Every day we have to work on this frame. Okay, now? So that's the reason I was trying to explain you more and more. Okay, still not completed. In future classes, I will explain these things. Okay? Yes.
okay.
Now ask your doubt.
Who is going to decide hours for?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Oh,
We
that.
are having dev leads, right?
Okay. Huh?
Dev lead.
Okay. Development lead. Okay. Development lead. Okay.
Developer leads will be there, right? Because they are having lot of experience, right? These dev leads are going to spend some time on this ticket in where? In sprint planning meeting. Here, okay, in sprint planning meeting, what we are doing? We are discussing about these tickets, 15 tickets, step by step. First one ticket we are deciding. Okay, we have discussed about the time and some other things will be there, guys. We are going to discuss all those things at a time. After completing the first ticket, we are going for the second ticket, third ticket, fourth ticket, so on, fifth ticket. After completing all the tickets, we are going for the working procedure. Okay, now? No?
Okay, okay, understood. But I want to know the uh, ticket description. Ticket, what is to be ticket? For example, any example for tickets for URL designing or what ticket